So we shall start problems on lenses. So in problems of lenses, first we have to jot down the formulas that we learnt earlier. So what are the formulas we have learnt earlier on lenses? First of all, there are two kinds of lenses. One is convex, another is concave. In case of convex lens, the focal length was positive, and in case of concave lens, focal length was negative. So focal length will be positive or negative is only dependent on type of lens. Focal length is positive or negative is only dependent on type of lens and nothing else. Okay. What about the other parameters? U does not depend on type of lens, neither it depends on real image or virtual image. U means object distance. So U is always negative. What about V? Now V will depend whether it's a real image or a virtual image. In case of real image, V is positive, and in case of virtual image, V is negative. Because in case of virtual image, the image is formed in the front of the lens. In case of real image is formed in the other side of the lens, that is the right side, and on the right side it is positive, on the left side it is negative. Next, U is done, V is done. Next is magnification. Magnification also depends on nature of image. So one image is real, another is virtual. So if the image is real image, then definitely the image will be inverted. In case of inverted image, magnification is negative, and if the image is upright image, then magnification is positive. And what is the formula for magnification? V by U also is equal to I by O. In case magnification comes more than 1, this means the image is magnified. Image magnified. And if it is less than 1, then image will be diminished. If magnification is less than 1, you can write here less than 1, then it's a diminished image. Okay, then it's a diminished image. So convex lens, focal length is positive, concave lens, focal length is negative. U always negative. In case of real image, V is positive. In case of virtual image, V is negative. And magnification is equal to V by U is equal to also I by O. I by O means image height by object height. If magnification is more than 1, then the image is magnified. If magnification is less than 1, then the image is diminished. And if magnification is negative, then the image is real. If magnification is positive, image is virtual. Our first problem: at what position a candle of length 3 centimeter be placed in the front of a convex lens? Okay, so here is a convex lens. So this is a convex lens. A candle is kept like this. candle. Okay, candle length is 3 centimeter. Okay, so I'll mark the candle length as 3 centimeter in front of the convex lens. Its image is formed of length 6 centimeter on a screen placed at a distance 30 centimeter behind the lens. Okay, so its image is behind the lens, that means image is on the right side. So that means it's a real image, and real image is always inverted. So say this is my candle, my real image, inverted image. On the other side means real image, always on the other side it will be real image in case of lenses. And the distance from the lens is 30 centimeter. Okay, distance from the lens is 30 centimeter behind the lens, it is mentioned. What I have to find out, what is the position, at what position the candle is kept. That means I don't know what is the object distance. What is the object distance? I don't know. So first of all, I have to write down all the relevant datas that are given in this problem, all the relevant datas. So my first relevant data over here is the object height is 3 centimeter. So I'll write it down. Next data what is given over here, 30 centimeter is the image distance. Now 30 centimeter image distance is on the positive side, so it will be plus 30 centimeter or 30 centimeter simply. Next, another thing is given, see over here, the image length is given. Image length is 6 centimeter. I did not mark it. Image length is 6 centimeter. So from here I can easily write I is equal to 6 centimeter. However, this is inverted and this is on the other side of the principal axis, so this will be minus. Okay, here it is on the negative side. As we go up in the y axis it is positive, if we go below the axis it is negative. Okay, so this will be minus 6 centimeter. This is below the axis. So what is the magnification? Now I am calculating the magnification. So magnification m is equal to I by u. Why I am calculating magnification? Because the focal length is not given, neither you have u. So using lens formula will not give you any answer. What is lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now you don't know u, you don't know f, only you know v. So by that you cannot calculate any other two parameters that are there. So first of all you have to calculate whatever is given. So magnification I can easily calculate. I by u both is known, minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. Now magnification is also is equal to v by u. Now this makes my job very easy. Minus 2 is equal to what is v? 30 centimeter. So please solve it with me. And what is u? U I don't know, so I have to find out u. So from here u can be easily calculated as minus 15 centimeter. Why negative is coming? Because u is always negative. U is on the left hand side of the lens. So anything you go on the left hand side on the x axis it becomes negative. If you go on to this side it becomes positive. So that is why it is negative. So u is how much? So u is now found out. U is 15 centimeter. I am ignoring the sign. You can write 15 centimeter minus 15 centimeter or 15 centimeter in front of the lens. In front of the lens. Next part of the problem it is mentioned what is focal length of the lens. So now you know u, so you can easily find out focal length. So what formula will you use? You will use 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Simple formula. You know what is 1 by v now? 1 by 30. And you know what is 1 by u? It is minus 15, minus minus will be plus 1 by 15. So this solution now will do. So 30 will be the LCM, 1 plus 2. So that is 3 by 30. So focal length will be 10 centimeter. So everybody got 10 centimeter answer, I guess. So that is it. 10 centimeter is the focal length, which is correct because here it is correct, here it is correct. So both the answers are matching. So I hope everybody understood this. We will proceed to the next problem after it is done. In this problem, first of all, I will try to draw the diagram, which is very important in any problems in physics. Convex lens, it is already given, it's a convex lens. Very good. Illuminated object lies at a distance of 1 meter from a screen. So there is a screen over here. I'll take this as a screen. Why the screen is there? Screen is there to take the image. Image is formed on a screen so that we can understand, or we can see where the image is formed. So 1 meter distance. So here is the object. Suppose here is the object. It is at 1 meter distance, that is 100 centimeter from the screen. So from the object to the image, the distance is 100 centimeter. The image is formed on the screen. See, it is said image is formed on the screen placed at 75 centimeter from the lens. So screen is placed at 75 centimeter from the lens. So I am pretty sure my image is over here and it's a real image. It's a real image because the image is on the other side of the screen. I am pretty sure about that. Makes it very clear. When I draw the diagram, things become clear. So now you see, from the lens to the image, the distance is 75 centimeter. I can easily say that image distance is 75 centimeter on the right side of the lens. So plus 75 centimeter. So plus 75 centimeter. Okay. Now what is then the object distance? Very easy to calculate. The object distance is 25 centimeter. What on the other side? On the other side. So what will be u? Minus 25 centimeter. This will be u. This will be u. Now from here you can easily calculate the focal length of the lens because you know u and v. So just apply the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by v is 1 by 75. Here minus minus will be plus 1 by 25. So please calculate and find out. So from here focal length is coming 18.75 centimeter. Everybody should get this, and this is coming positive because it's a convex lens. The focal length will be positive, focal length will not be negative, correct. So focal length is done. Now what is next? Next is we have to find out magnification. Once we have v by u, calculation of magnification is like peanuts. Magnification is equal to v by u, 75 by minus 25 is equal to minus 3. Next problem, power of a lens plus 2d. So if power is positive, that means the lens is convex. Directly you can write lens is convex. If power is positive, lens is convex. Now how will you find out focal length? So formula of power is 100 by focal length in centimeter. So here the power is given as 200 by focal length. So focal length will be is equal to 50 centimeter. So it's a pretty straightforward question. Nothing is there. Next problem. Concave lens, image of an object kept at a distance. Let's see. this is the object, it is kept at a distance 20 centimeter, and the image is, for see here the language is very important. Concave lens forms image of an object kept at a distance 20 centimeter in front of it. That means the object is kept at a distance 20 centimeter in front of it. Language of problems in physics is a challenge. At a distance of 10 centimeter on the side of the object, that means this is the image. So when the sentence becomes big, then the language becomes tough, and understanding the language is a challenge, I understand that. So at a distance of 10 centimeter on the side of the object, that means the image is formed somewhere here, has to be diminished and virtual 10 centimeter. That is a simple virtual image. So u over here is minus 20 and v over here is minus 10. Nature of the image, as it is formed on the same side, as it is formed on the same side, I can easily say the nature of the image is virtual, and if it is virtual it will be erect, and as it is a concave lens, at this point of time I cannot mathematically say whether it is diminished or not, but definitely I can use the formula which says magnification is equal to v by u, which will give me minus 10 by minus 20, minus minus cancels out 0.5. So definitely as magnification is less than 1, I can say the image is diminished. So only if I say that image is virtual and erect, that is not going to complete my answer. I have to also find out magnification which is less than 1, and I have to also write that the image is diminished. Then my answer is complete. In case of nature of image, this one, then my answer is complete, otherwise answer is not complete. Okay, you have to find out whether it is virtual. If it is virtual, it will be erect. Next, find out magnification, see whether the magnification is less than 1 or more than 1. If it is less than 1, then definitely it is if it is less than 1, then definitely it is diminished. If it is more than 1, then it is enlarged. Okay, so from here now I have to calculate what? I have to calculate focal length. So please use this formula, minus minus plus 1 by 20, and I think every one of you can calculate this focal length. ঠিক আছে minus 20 centimeter. So focal length is 20 centimeter. ঠিক আছে at the end of the day দেখ সবার ভালো হলেই সবার ভালো হবে, এটা মাথায় রাখবি, ঠিক আছে না? সবার ভালো হলে সবার ভালো হয়, একা কেউ উন্নতি করতে পারে না, তাহলে উন্নতিটা উন্নতি বলে না, দ্যাট ইজ নট প্রগ্রেস, ঠিক না? একা উন্নতি করলে ইউ ক্যানট কল দ্যাট প্রগ্রেস। সবার যদি একসাথে উন্নতি করতে পারো তাহলে দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড প্রগ্রেস। ঠিক আছে, চলো। So we'll come to our last problem today. I guess this is the last one. Yeah. So last problem. So this one. So here it is convex lens. So convex lens. Focal length 0.212 meter. So here we can write. What you will do is you make this into centimeter. It will be easy for you. So focal length, convex lens will be positive 12 centimeter. Okay. Now here see it said it's a real image. It's a real image. So if it's a real image, then the magnification I by O is equal to, definitely it will be negative, 3 times the size of the object. That means I by O is 3 times, but it has to be negative because it's a real image, and we know V by U is equal to minus 3. So from here I can easily find out a relationship between V and U. We can find out a relationship between V and U very easily. V is equal to minus 3U. Now if I use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, then this formula reduces to like this, minus 3U minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 12. So I am writing over here, See, I can take minus common, I can take 1 by u common. I'll be left with 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 12. Okay. So this will be 4 by 3. If you calculate this, this will be 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 12. 4, 4. So here it is 4. So u will come out to be minus 16 centimeter. So u is always negative, so u is minus 16 centimeter, that is correct. If you want to change the unit, you can do it minus 0.16 meter. So we have taken all the types of problem that are there in the textbook level in class 10th. We are going to go a level up later on. So I hope there is no problems with the numericals we did, and we can do all the textbook level numericals easily in case of lenses.